Have you ever felt overwhelmed by funeral options? You're not alone. Direct cremation is a simple, affordable choice. It bypasses traditional funeral services. So, what exactly is direct cremation? Let's break it down step by step. First, it means cremation without a formal service. That's right. Second, your loved one is cremated soon after passing. This reduces costs and stress. Third, families can plan a memorial personal to them. Freedom is key here. Now let's explore why this option might work for you. Direct cremation offers significant savings. Traditional funerals can be expensive. It also provides flexibility in memorial planning. You control the timing and setting. For example, a family might choose a park for scattering ashes, or they could hold a gathering at home, surrounded by loved ones. To summarize, direct cremation is an accessible, flexible option. It saves money and allows for personalized remembrance. Feeling intrigued? Research more about direct cremation today. Don't forget to check the links in the description.